All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are working with Hermosa Hair Company. This is their 13 by 6 basically pre-all wig. It's 13 by 6 pre-curled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, all that good stuff. Here is just a up close look of the unit, and of course they went on ahead and added the tape that is very popular right now. I have a love-hate relationship with this kind of tape, and I'll tell you guys why in just a second. But here is just all the details for this particular unit. Don't forget to check the description box. I'll have the exact link down there for you guys. So first, y'all, I'm just popping this on my head. It actually fit pretty okay. It was a little bit too small, but so we don't look like Queen Charlotte here. Let's go ahead and get this wig together, and I'm gonna warn you guys now, I'm doing a lot of plucking for this particular unit, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's start with this tape, y'all. The reason why I have a love-hate relationship with this kind of a tape is because I think it gives a really great hold, like for added security. I don't think it's enough, especially with the summertime coming up for me, and especially if you sweat a lot, it's not enough security. Only because I found that it slides back and it ends up sliding into my hairline, and so it still will hold the wig down for me, but it just pushes the hair back. So I say use the tape, especially with summertime coming up, and also go ahead and use your hairspray. I like the combination of both of those. And as far as plucking, you guys, this wig just didn't have enough pluckage happening for me. They did pre-pluck it just a bit, but I needed a little bit more, so I took about 5 minutes and plucked the hairline. I didn't spend too much time on it, but you know, I just did what I did. It's not a big deal for me. This actually can be kind of therapeutic, y'all. I needed one of these kind of days, so I was cool with it. Just kind of thinning out the hairline just a bit, making it a little bit more realistic, and then I'm just gonna do my normal meltdown routine. So y'all, this unit is 28 inches. It's their 3D body wave, and the 3D is supposed to be more fluffy and bouncy than normal body wave units. And let me tell you, if you do not like big hair, big curls, big anything, this is not going to be for you. But this is going to be perfect for any brides, wedding guests, if you have an event coming up. Like, this hair is full, and she's long. I rarely do 28 inches. I'm definitely a 22, 24 inch girl, but the curls were so pretty. I tried to do a side part. I was like, let me just do a side part. But y'all know I am from Houston, Texas. Anytime I do a side part, I feel like a big old country Southern belle, and I just can't do it. It just does not work for me. So middle part it is. I'm just gonna hit my middle part with my wax stick and hot comb and get this hair as flat as possible at the top, and then we'll go to laying our edges. So as far as my edges go, you guys, I am just carving them out, and I'm still gonna do a little bit more plucking right here. I like for my hairline to have like that scalp kind of look, especially where my little swoops are going for my baby hair. And then y'all, I've been doing this thing right here where I'm pulling the hair up from the front, and I've been liking my hairline, I guess like my edges, especially right in the middle, a little bit messier. So I'll show you guys how I kind of get that look. I'm definitely always, I guess these days, going for more of a wispy look, not so, you know, put together. Y'all already know I don't like my baby hair stuck to my head, so I just want them, I'm just learning, I guess, how to do them a little bit more natural. They're still gonna be a little long this go around because I like to switch it up every so often. But yeah, as far as anything special goes, it's just my normal routine, just cutting them using my foam. I think this was either from Eben or Design Essentials, I can't remember, and then just laying them down as normal. One good tip I do have with how I do my hairline is simply don't think too hard about it. I've said this before, but don't think too hard about it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. All I really look for is just to make sure my edges, like my little baby hairs, are just laid down and just kind of having some kind of curl swoop to them, really, because I'm just gonna mess them up in the end. Y'all will see, I'm just gonna mess these up, lift them off of my head, pull some back as well, and in the middle I really just kind kind of get it to lay down and kind of go different ways. Like I said, I just like that kind of wispy look, or just everything just doesn't have to be super perfect. And I just think it ends up looking a lot better. All right, y'all, let's finish this up. Final step, super easy. Okay, first, let's look at this hairline. Y'all, it came out so freaking good. I know y'all saw that. Anyways, as far as this hair goes, the curls are absolutely beautiful, you guys, but they have to be brushed out. So I am thoroughly brushing out the hair. Remember, we did a lot of plucking. So this is the one step you don't want to miss, because if you forget to do this, you're going to think the hair is shedding over time, when really you just never got that shed hair out. And look how much volume you get, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is it's just so pretty. Anyways, I am just gonna add a few layers just in the front. I'm not doing that much cutting because I like the length of it, but I needed to break it up just a bit. Like I said, I didn't do too much. And then I'm gonna take my wand curl and just kind of curl the front of the hair how I want it to lay, because it just wasn't laying it super right with me, you guys. And then I'm just gonna do my final touches, adding some concealer to the part, lifting up the little baby hairs and making them nice and wispy, bringing some of the baby hairs back. You guys will see that in just a second. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the final look in just a bit. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. I love this like 3D body wave that everyone's doing now. I love the curls on these because you don't have to do much. You can just pop this wig on. You can't necessarily go. If you want to, you can, but I popped and plucked and then I went. And I'm just gonna do a little half up, half down style, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything down there, the direct link to this unit. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, appreciate your support, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who.